Actually, I have one more for Shaykh Alaa. So, Assalamu alaikum, brother and sister. In behalf of the Board of Trustees of your Masjid and our congregation, I want to present this award to Shaykh Alaa. Shaykh Alaa, barakallahu fi, was a dynamic and a mentor behind this project. When the Masjid was totally set on fire, he was the one standing on his feet, encouraging us. And I remember his word to me to shoot high, and we're going to build a bigger and a better Masjid. That was his statement that he gave to the media on that day. And alhamdulillah, we fulfilled his advice, and we had a bigger and a better Masjid, alhamdulillah. Just to his credit, the total cost of the rebuild of this Masjid reached $5 million. We received $800,000 only from the insurance policy. Shaykh Alaa, barakallahu fi, raised $4 million plus to build this project. And I'm here tonight to testify in front of you because I was asked to testify that Shaykh Alaa never charged a penny from this money. This kind of money to raise in today's society, you have to bring a special fundraiser, and they do it as business. They get a cut in order to reach their followers. So today's technology, you have Facebook, you have YouTube, and there's a special individual that they specialize in fundraising. Shaykh Alaa, mashallah, outperformed all of them for free for Masjid Al-Tawheed. May Allah bless him and reward him and make it in his hasanat. And we have done little to Shaykh Alaa, and he got such patience that no one has. We learn from him. God bless him and his family. Jazakallah khair, Shaykh Alaa. Final announcement, brothers and sisters. I want to apologize to our sisters if there's any issue that they faced last night on 10 Logan for suhoor or for iftar. We apologize to them, and inshallah tonight will be the best and final night, and the food and the drink, everything will be there for them. Jazakumullah khair.